This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can extend the random access memory amount on this device. So first step is to open Settings. Then you will need to find and enter the memory expansion category. At the memory expansion page, turn on the memory expansion switch. Then you can modify the amount of RAM you would like to get additionally. So I'll go for the maximum amount of 8 GB. And then in order for those changes to be properly applied, you gotta restart or reboot your device. And then after it gets restarted, the RAM expansion feature will take effect, and you will get the respective amount of additional random access memory. The way this feature works is that it occupies the storage space and just controls it, or controls it in a way that it is getting used by the system as the virtual additional RAM. So, something like that. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, or for this video at least. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.